Our lead story today. Fireworks at the Madlanga Commission as political killings. Task team member drops bombshell after bombshell. End of the road for Senzo Mchunu and Shadrack Sibiya.
Veiled him, and we were standing from a bit of a distance when he proceeded to a certain estate in Midrand, with which I have just indicated that he said he was there at the former Commissioner Mr. Shadrack's premises. Then when he left that premises, his motorcade was driving at a very high speed. And as they were driving at a very high speed, we couldn't catch him as it was driving at a high speed. And fortunately, unfortunate for him, he hit a pothole along the new road. So then his Mercedes-Benz came to a standstill on the side of the road. Commissioners, as a person who had always told us that he is connected, I would assume, Commissioners, that he was aware that we were after him. So maybe he had made us, Commissioner, as we did a reconnaissance on him. His security detail, mostly they are ex-military officers from the elite section of the military. So they will also deploy their own skills also to check the surroundings and stuff. Maybe they might have made us. Through his talk, he indicated that he was introduced to Minister Mchunu, and that Mr. Mchunu had ambitions to run for presidency in the ANC. And then there were people and ministers also that were going around looking for the people who will contribute to his campaign. And indeed, Mr. Matlala was one of the people who had contributed to the campaign, as he indicated that in January he had contributed to an amount, to the total amount of 500,000, whereby he purchased flight tickets and paid for the accommodation for the members of the ANC who were going to Cape Town for the July 8 statement for the ANC. So, and also that he will also refer back to his phones where he will show us the messages between him and the person named Brown Mohoti pertaining those flight tickets and the accommodation payments. Yes. As we advanced with our talk or interview, then we came to ask him to say, how did you know Lieutenant General Sibiya, the DNC? And he indicated that he used to provide security services at the farm of the late Mr. Sibiy, who was also known as Mr. Muswazi, or the old man. He indicated that Lieutenant General Sibiya was a regular person there who would always, from time to time, they will meet at the farm. And at the farm, that is where he had met a lot of Mr. Msebi's associates who were introduced to him as the Big Five, and they were also calling each other brothers.
Thank you, witness. Please proceed.
I wanted to say that that is how he became to know the Deputy National Commissioner, Lieutenant General Sibiya. Thank you, Commissioners. The farm is located just after Hammanskraal at a game reserve.
And
this farm,
please proceed, witness C.
And this farm is known to be the most secured farm that only those who are or who were close to the late Mr. Msebi had access to the farm. As we had already been in the investigations here in Gauteng, we have came to know that these are the people who are in control of the activities that are happening in the government, the SAPS, actually each and every government department that they have full control and oversight to. It's a criminal world that has more control into the government, as we understood. Mr. Matlala indicated that after the passing of Mr. Msebi, Lieutenant General Sibiya approached him and said to him, now since that the old man, referring to Mr. Msebi, has passed away, it means that now you will continue to take care of me.
How you
and
sorry, witness C. How you put it now is not the same as you put it in your statement. Now you suggest that General Sibiya was telling Mr. Matlala that he was going to take care of him, whereas in your statement you say that Mr. Matlala said, please take care of me and I will take care of you. Can you clarify what exactly was said?
That is correct, Commissioners. Since I'm not reading word for word on the statement, it is the way that is put on the statement is correctly so. And as the commissioners will listen to the tapes afterwards, it will be indeed confirmed that, yeah, his statement was that now since that Mr. Msebi is no more, please take care of me and I will take care of you in return. And for that, Commissioners, Mr. Matlala indicated that he understood that when General Sibiya asked him to take care of him, he meant that he should take care of him financially or to support him financially. So from there going forward, Mr. Matlala would give payments to Lieutenant General Sibiya, payments for around 500,000 at a time.
Did you, at the time or later, ask for proof of this? If not you, did anyone else at a later stage ask for proof of this? The payments to General Sibiya of amounts of around 500,000 rand at a time.
Thank you, Commissioners. We asked him as to how does he make payments to General Sibiya, and he informed us that General Sibiya doesn't accept electronic transfers, but he prefers cash. So therefore, there wouldn't be a proof of payment to him. The favors or the taking care of Mr. Matlala by General Sibiya, as he had indicated, Mr. Matlala indicated that General Sibiya and General Sinuna assisted him in getting in securing there is a point where he also indicated that he had a problem with utilizing the sick bay or the clinic at the police college that he was supposed to have been using, and General Sibiya was the one whom he went to the office to have that matter sorted out. When we started when he started talking about General Sibiya, he kept on saying that General Sibiya is a criminal himself. And I believe that when he says that the old man is no longer here, please take care of me, I will also assume that the taking care of him by Mr. Matlala would be that maybe it might be a continuation, or he will be starting to take care of him as the old man had passed. So I will not specifically be sure, as he didn't clarify that point, as to whether he only started taking care of him after the passing of Mr. Sibiy, or he had been taking care of him prior to the passing of Mr. Sibiy, and the general wanted him to continue to do as he had been doing before. My assumption comes only after he had indicated to me that General Sibiya is a criminal himself, and he kept repeating those words. Commissioners, the recordings were recorded by me with my cell phone, and they were recorded on the 14th of May, 2025.
You do that, can we just confirm this? Witness C, did Mr. Matlala become aware that you were recording the conversation he was having with you?
Thank you, Commissioner. Before I started recording, I requested him that for our safety and the authenticity of whatever you'll be saying, I will request to record, and indeed he agreed, he consented to the recording. Thereafter, I started recording after he has consented.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.